Hello everyone, it's EasyCuber here, and today I'm just going to go over my main speed cubes. So, the events I mainly focus on are 2x2, 3x3 OH, and clock. I don't really focus on any other event. That's pretty much all I do. So, and 3x3. I also do 3x3. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't do like 4 or 5 or something like that. So yeah, let's just get started with what cubes I use. For 2x2, I use a Diane 2x2. It's a very nice 2x2, super smooth and nice. For 3x3, I use a Euxin 3x3. It's very smooth, it's very fast. It's crispy. I like it. And for 4x4, which I don't really do that much of, I use a mini Osu. It's a nice cube. I just don't really care for 4x4. 5x5, I use a Hua Chuang. It's a nice 5x5. I like it. I just don't do 5x5 that much. 6x6. Just use a standard Shangshao 6x6, nothing special. 7x7, use an Ofu, a Moyu Ofu. Nice cube. I don't really do 7x7 though, so. And then for Skewb, which is my least favorite event, I absolutely hate Skewb. I would use a Moyu Skewb. Can't really tell you much about this because I really don't focus on it that much. So it turns good. It's a little sluggish, but you know, oh well. For OH, I use a mini Oolong. It's a good cube for the hand. It fits well. I had a 54.6 Fangshi, which I still have actually, but this is just much faster than the Fangshi. Pyraminx, I use a Moyu Pyraminx, white, restickered. I don't really care for Pyraminx. Sometimes it locks up like this. Yeah. But no, I don't really like Pyraminx that much. Next event I really focus on is clock. I like clock. Clock is one of my favorite events. This is a Lingao clock. And, oh yeah, for square one, which I do know how to solve with parity, is the Calvin square one. It's a super nice square one. And, yeah, I lubricated it, and after doing that, it turns better than smooth. It is extremely smooth and extremely nice. Now for lube, I just use these 3 things here. This is Maru Lube. This is weight 1 from the cubicle. And this is weight 3 from the cubicle. So, yeah. Oh, and last puzzle, I do know how to solve, but I don't really do that much, is Megaminx. I use the YJ Yuhu Megaminx. People say it's not good. I think I got a good one. I pre-ordered it, and I didn't get any of the bent screws. So it turns very nice and very fast. That's what I like about it. Yeah, so that's my main speed cubes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you did, or like, or do whatever you want. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.